Prince was a legend. Prince is a legend. He'll forever go down in history as one of the greatest musicians to ever live. He was so talented. He could play so many different instruments. And it's a sad loss for music today.
This man was a trendsetter, an icon, and a kingmaker, a queenmaker. I mean, Vanity, Sheila E., worked with Sheena Easton, everything, and to not even make it to age 60 is incredibly sad.
I think that he lived it to the full. He did a great job with what he was chosen to do, and I totally enjoy it, and I know that he's going to be missed.
So we thank you, Prince. Thank you for your dedication, for you knowing your purpose of life, and you already exceeded that purpose.